Here's a quick video on how the economy mode works on the Lumix G80/85. First of all, you need the articulating screen spun around and facing outwards. Next, you need the LVF button, so the sensor cuts the screen off. So when something gets in the way of the sensor, it turns the screen off. There's 3 settings. One's just for the screen, one's just for the viewfinder, and then there's the 3rd setting, which is when you cover the sensor, the screen cuts off. So that's important, that needs to be switched on and the screen needs to be facing outwards. Next, you go into your menu and it's under wrench on page 2 of 6, and you go down to economy mode, and it's different to sleep mode. You need to go down to the bottom to power save LVF shooting. So you scroll down to power save, and currently it's turned off, and you can set the time that you prefer. I put it on 3 seconds myself to get maximum economy out of it. Now, this description's not very clear at all. It took me a little bit to work it out. So just flick it on to whatever second suits you. I'll do 3 seconds, hit OK, and go back to where you're normally shooting. Now, this back screen has to be when you push the display button. Keep pushing the display button until this screen appears, and that's the only time when this setup is active. So after 3 seconds, the camera turns itself off and you get maximum life out of your battery. So when I hit the shutter button, it comes back to life, and then after 3 seconds of no use, turns itself off again. So it actually comes to life quite quickly. If I push the shutter button, 1, 2, 3, push the button, back on. So it actually cuts back into life really quickly, turns itself off at your set time. Unfortunately, you can't flip the screen back around on itself, so you still have that chance of scratching your screen if you don't like it that way. I don't really like it that way. Hopefully in a firmware update, they can fix that so you can flip the screen back around and have this economy mode. So I've read somewhere that you can get up to about 800 shots on one battery charge, so I'm really looking forward to testing that out. But that's how you get it working, and that's the easiest way to save on battery life. Brilliant little setup.